Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential guide to take control of your privacy by preventing Discord from accessing your microphone. Whether you're looking to avoid accidental voice chats or just want to keep your audio permissions in check, these updated steps will help you disable microphone access on your phone in under a minute. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and unlock it. We'll begin by opening your device's settings. This is where all your app permissions live, so it's the perfect place to make adjustments. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the apps section. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as App Management or Applications. Tap on it to view your installed apps. Now, it's time to find Discord. Scroll through your list of apps until you spot the familiar Discord logo, a white game controller on a purple background. Tap on it to open its settings. Here, you'll see details about the app's storage, battery usage, and most importantly, permissions. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Permissions to see what Discord is currently allowed to access. You'll notice options like camera, contacts, or location. Look for microphone in the list. This is the permission that lets Discord use your mic for voice chats or calls. Tap on it, and you'll see three options: Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, or Don't allow. To fully block access, select Don't allow. Once you've made this change, exit the settings. That's it. Discord will no longer have permission to use your microphone. If you ever open the app and try to join a voice channel, you'll notice it won't detect your mic unless you manually re-enable this permission later. Why does this matter? Apps like Discord don't need microphone access unless you're actively voice chatting. Limiting permissions reduces background data collection and keeps you in control of your device's features. Plus, it's a great way to avoid accidental broadcasts if you're multitasking or handing your phone to someone else. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to safeguard your microphone on Discord. If you found this helpful, let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tips to optimize your apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take control of your tech.